An effective keyword research will give you an idea of what matters to your audience, what they are interested in knowing, what they won't care about. Business is about people. You create a product or service, a great service, people need to patronize you, people need to buy from you. And one of the key things in my book, I talked about emotional brand mapping and brand reward system. This covers the whole aspect of it. I'll give you the summary here. So, you need to understand your audience. You need to understand why they are buying from you. You need to understand that thing that triggers them to be interested more in your product and do more of it and build on it. So, keywords research gives you a clue, gives you an insight of what your audience are interested in, gives you an insight of what matters to them. And that way you can consistently keep creating content that is of value to them. And when you keep doing this consistently, you get to build trust, you get to build loyalty, and you get to get more conversion, more leads, more authority in your market. We don't live in the buying and selling age anymore. We are in the age of problem solving and question answering. So, keyword research is very important because it gives after you must have gotten an insight of what your audience are actively looking for. You can now effectively provide solutions and answers to that. So that's why it's important to do your keyword research so that you'll be able to answer your audience questions and you'll be able to provide solutions to what they are looking for. When you know the right keywords they use when they are searching, you will know the right keywords to use to provide the solution. Keywords is the link between what they are looking for and what you offer. So you need to create an alignment, you need to understand what they are looking for, why they are using this particular keyword, so that then you can create content that aligns with that value. As a brand that is customer centric and that values the opinions of your audience, you need to do your keyword research. You need to research the right keywords to use, when to use them, and how to use them.